I'm Trang from BC Cancer, and I'm here to show you how easy cervix cell screening is. You order the kit and it comes in a few weeks. It arrives in the mail in a nondescript envelope. Follow the instructions, it's super easy. If you want, you can watch a video with instructions at screeningbc.ca/cervix. There's even a 20-second timer for how long it takes for you to take a sample. You can see how far the swab needs to go in with this red line. After you've taken your sample, put the swab back in the tube, write the date, put the plastic tube into the plastic bag, then put your sample into the return envelope along with the lab requisition. Mail it back the day you take your sample. Then you'll get your results in 4 to 6 weeks. BC Cancer will send your results in the mail, or you can look it up on Health Gateway. Questions? We've got answers at screeningbc.ca/cervix.